Next, question number 66 to 70. Friends, take 66. If all the digits in each of the number are arranged in ascending order within the number, friends, here they mention is what all the digits in each of the number are arranged in the ascending order. So friends, here ascending order means what? Low to high. Digits are arranged in the ascending order. That means here. So first one is what? 134, 189, next 467, next 112, next one is what? 457. Then next, which of the following number will become the lowest number? So which of the following is the lowest number? So 112. So 112 means what? Here first number, second number, third number, fourth number. So 112 means what? Here 211. So in your answer is which of the following is lowest number? 112. But they will not give 112 as your option. They will give 2111. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 67. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right. Friends, here they're talking about numbers and they're talking about numbers are arranged in the ascending order from left to right. Ascending order means low to high. First take lowest number here 211. Next one is part after that 341. Next one is part 476. Next one is part 547. Next one is part 198. Leave it. Which of the following will be the sum of all the three digits of the number which is fourth from right hand? 1, 2, 3, fourth from right hand is what? Here 341. Sum of all the digits 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4 plus 1. Total is what? Here 8. So answer is option C. Question number 68. What will be the difference when the third digit of the third lowest number? Friends, first lowest number is what? Here 211. Second lowest number is what? Here 341. Next one is what? Third one is what? 476. Now, when the third digit of the third lowest number, so third digit of third lowest number is what? 476. Third digit is what? Here 6 is multiplied with the second digit of highest number. Friends, highest number is what? 918. Second digit is what? Here 1. So 6 into 1. Next, leave it. So what is the difference of the third digit of third lowest number is multiplied with second digit of highest number? Leave it. Next, and third digit of second highest number. So first highest number is what? 918. Second highest number is what? 547. So third digit of second highest number. So here 7 is multiplied with second digit of lowest number. Lowest number is what? 211. Lowest number is here second digit is what? 1. So friend, this one is what? 6 into 1, 6. This one is what? 7 into 1 is what? 7. Now difference is what? 1. So question number 68, answer is option A. Question number 69. If the positions of second and third digit of each of the number are interchanged, then how many even numbers will be formed? Second and third digits are interchanged. That means this one is what? Here 314. Next, this one is what? 981. Next, 467. Next, 211. Next one is what? Here 574. 574. So how many even numbers should be formed? Means here ending is here even, odd, even. That means total 2 even numbers are formed. So answer is what? Option C. Next, question number 70. If 1 is added to the second digit of each number and 1 is subtracted to the third digit of each number, then how many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 3 n? Now 1 is added to the second digit of each number. So second digit means what? Friends, check it. Second digit means plus 1. Third digit means what? Minus 1. See here. Second digit means what? Here plus 1. Next, second digit of number is 1 is added to second digit. Next, 1 is subtracted from third digit. Now this one is what? 3. Next 5 0. Next one 9 2. Next one 7. Next 4. Next one is what? 8 5. Second digit means plus 1. Third digit means minus 1. Next 2 0. Next one is what? 5 5. Next 6. Now how many numbers is divisible by 3? 3 divisible to rule is what? Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Now total is 8. No chance. This one is what? Here 11 plus 7. Total is what? 18. This one is divisible by 3. Next one, this one is what? 12 17. No chance. Next, here 4. No chance. This one is what? 16. No chance. That means total here we are having only one end. So here 927 is divisible by 3. That means only one pair. Option E. Question number 71 to 75. 7 students A to G are going to a school different days of the week starting from Monday to Sunday. Now, from starting is Monday. Next one is Tuesday. Next, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next one is Sunday. Next one is Sunday. Yes, leave it. Now, next point is one. Only 3%, only three students are going to school between C and D. So between C and D, here we are having 3%. Leave it. A does not go to school between C and D, and A does not go to school between C and D. Between C and D, here we are having 3%. Between C and D, for A, no chance. Leave it. Go for next point. E goes to school either immediate before or after G. That means here E is immediately before G, otherwise E is immediately after G. Leave it. Next point. Only one student goes to school between C and G. Between C and G, here we are having one student. Leave it. Next one. Neither A nor D goes to school on the last day of the week. Now, A and D, last day means what? Sunday, no chance. For A and D, Sunday, no chance. Leave it. Next point. At least one person goes to school between D and F. Between D and F, here we are having at least one. At least one means what? Minimum is 1%. Leave it. Next one. C goes to school before D. C is before D and now. So between C and D, here three people are going, but we don't know whether C is before D or D is before C. But now they given C goes to school before D. C goes to school before D. But between C and D, no chance to take A. Leave it. Next one. Number of students going to school after A is same as number of students going to school before B. So before B is same as here after A. Leave it. Next one. G goes to school before F and G goes to school before F. So when this is the given entire data and now suppose take this point and between C and D here three students are going. Now suppose this one is C 1 2 3, this one is for D. Otherwise, if I take a C 1 2 3 D also chance. Take other possibility this side C 1 2 3, this one is for here D. Suppose if I take here C Wednesday 1 2 3 D, no chance. Why means D Sunday, no chance. Yes. So between C and D here three people are going. Next, A does not go between C and D. A does not go between C and D. That means for A here no chance. A does not go on Sunday. Here also no chance. This is the possibility for A. In this case, A does not go to school between C and D. Next, A does not go on Sunday. So this is the only possibility for A. Next one. Friends, if you know about C means between C and G, here one student is going. Now, C1, this one is G. Here also C1, this one is what? Here G. Next one. If you know about A means number of students going after A is same as before B. After A, 1%. Then before B also 1%. Number of people who are going school after A is 1. Before B also 1. Here, friends, here after A, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 member. Then before B also 6 member. Yes. After A is same as before B. Next one. Friend, next point is what? Here. E is either immediately before G or after G. That means this is the only possibility for E. Now, in this case, for E, here chance. For E, here also chance. Here also chance. Leave it. Next one. G goes to school before F. Now, remaining is part. In this case, remaining is part F and remaining is part F. Now, in this case, G goes to school before F. G is before F and that means this one is compulsory F. G is before F. Now, this one is what? Here E. But our requirement is what? At least one person is going between. At least one person goes to school between D and F. Between D and F, at least here we are having 1%. In this case, between D and F, here we are having minimum 1%. But between D and F, here there is no person. That means for this possibility, no chance. Why means between D and F, compulsory we are having minimum 1%. So here D and F, between D and F, no person means this possibility, no chance. This is the correct one. Now take question number 71. Which of the following is false with respect to the given arrangement? False and now take first one. C goes to school on the first day of the week. C goes to school on the first day of week. This one is correct. Leave it. B goes to school before D. B is before D. They mentioned before D and yes, correct. Next one. Only two students are go to school between A and F. Between A and F, two students are going. No, here there is no student is going between A and F. So which of the following is false means answer is option C. Question number 72. On which of the following day F goes to school? F is going to on which day? Sunday. So answer is what? Option B. 73. Who among the following goes to school on Friday? Who is going to school on Friday? Here D. So answer is option A. Question number 74. Which of the following is true with respect to E? Take first one. B goes to school immediately before E. B is immediately before E. Now this one is wrong, but our requirement is what? Here, correct. Leave it. So first one is wrong. Next one. Only 3 persons go to school between E and D. Between E and D, here 3 persons are going. No, this one also wrong. Next one, E goes to school before A. E is before A. Yes, this one is correct. So answer is what? Only third one is correct. Only third one is correct means option D. Question number 75. How many persons goes to school between G and F? Between G and F, how many persons are going here? E, D, A. 3%. So answer is what? Option D. 76 to 78. Here the again question is from inequalities. Take here given one. So friends, the given statement is what? Here A greater than B. Next one is what? Less than C equal to D less than E. Now for first statement, second statement here common is what? C and common is C. Now C is greater than F. C is greater than F. F equal to G. Next one is greater than H. Now take your first conclusion. Friends, once try to frame like this and whatever the relations they are going to ask, we are easily able to conclude. Take first one, G and E. Between G and E, relation is found. G and E, check here this one. Equal to, less than, equal to, less than. Result is found, less than. So G less than E, G less than E. So first one is correct. Second one, A and H. A and H relation is found here. Between A and H, what are the symbols here? Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to greater than. Greater than, less than, both are opposite, can't say. So answer is what? Only one and. So only one means answer is what? Option A. Question number 76, answer is option A. Question number 77. Take the given statement. Here H greater than T. H greater than T. Next greater than S. Greater than Q. Now for first one and second one common is what? Here T. For first statement, second statement common is what? Here T. Now T greater than U. Next one is what? U equal to V. Next one is what? Greater than B and greater than B. From this one is symbol. This one is symbol. And now take here. V greater than S and V greater than S. One check here V to S. V equal to U. U less than T. Greater than S. Both are opposite. Can't say. So first one is can't say. Next one B and H. One check here B and H. What are the symbols here? B and H and H greater than T. T greater than U. U equal to V. V greater than B. Greater than, equal to greater than. Result is what? Greater than. So H greater than B and H greater than B. Then B less than H. But our requirement is what? B greater than H. This one also wrong. So answer is what? Both are wrong means answer is what? Option D. Neither one nor two. Next question number 78. The given statement is what? N greater than P. Next greater than K equal to L. Now first statement, second statement common is what? P. Now P less than Q. Next one is what? Less than Z. Last one is what? T is greater than K. Take care. T is greater than K. First conclusion. N and Q. Between N and Q relation is what? Both are opposite. Opposite means can't say. Next one. Z T. Z and T relation is what? Z greater than Q. Q greater than P. Greater than K. Less than T. Again both are opposite. Can't say. So answer is what? Simply both are false. Both are false means answer is option D. Question number 79 to 83. Friends, here the again question is, what is the code for ticket in the code language? Check once ticket is present in which line. Friends, here third line here we are having ticket. So here only information in third line is ticket, then only code. Check once. Common codes eliminate. IA eliminate. RA eliminate. PA. Whether PA is present in remaining lines, not there. JI, not there. That means what the code for ticket means? Friends, check here. What the code for here? Ticket and what the code for here? Ticket means there is chance to get PA or JI. PA or JI. So here they given RA no chance. JI separate given. PA separate given. We don't know either PA or JI. So answer is what? Cannot be determined. So question number 79. Answer is option D. Question number 80. What does LO stands for the given language? LO. Friends, one check here. LO is present in which lines? Here we are having LO. Here we are having LO. So LO is present in only fourth line. Then in fourth line only information. Now eliminate common information and have common eliminate. Next one offer not there. Next one price not there. Next one book also eliminate. So what the code for LO means answer is what? Offer or price and offer or price. So friends, here what the code for LO means here? Offer, otherwise price. Check once. Offer or price. Were they given? No. Price separate, offer separate, no chance. And either offer or price. So answer is what? Cannot be determined. Question number 81. How will faith ticket be coded in the given code language? First check what the code for faith and ticket and faith and ticket. Friends, here faith and ticket. For ticket already code is completed. For ticket code is what? Here only information is ticket, then only code. Now IA eliminate, RA eliminate. That means there is chance to get PARJI. So what the code for ticket means? Answer is what? PARJI. PARJI. Next faith. One check faith is present in which lines? Faith is present in which line? So faith is present in only first line. Only information is faith, then only code. NA common eliminate, RA common eliminate, BA common eliminate. Then answer is what? Here VA. So what the code for faith ticket means? Answer is what? VA J. Why means for ticket we don't know the definite code. PARJ. So answer is what? VA, otherwise JIVA. Check once options. VA. Next one is what? Here VA. Next one is what? J. Yes. So answer is what? A chance, B also chance. Then answer is what? Either A or B. Option D. Question number 82. Which of the following will be coded as PAJNA in the given code language? Now we know PAJI code already. Friends, here PA. Next one is what? Here J. Our friends, PAJ and PAJ is present in only this line. Only this line. That means here only information is what? One is ticket. Ticket code already completed. PRJ. Next other one is what? Book common eliminate. Next one is what? One common eliminate. That means next one is what? Down. Next one is what? Here down. Friends, in third line only codes are PAJ. Only informations are ticket down. So PAJ means what? Ticket. Next one is down. So PAJ codes are ticket down, but we don't know separate codes. Ticket code is what? PRJ. Down code is what? PRJ. Next one is what? NA. Check once NA is present in which lines? Here NA. Here also we are having NA. Now common code. First line, second line. First line, second line. NA. Have. But have here also there. But here NA not there. Then have no chance. Next one is what? Here your own. Here own. Here NA not there. Leave it. That means here one also no chance. Next your. Here also we are having your. So first line, second line only code is NA. Only information is what? Your. So answer is what? Ticket down your. So answer is what? Ticket down your and ticket down your. Down your ticket. So answer is what? Option D. The codes are not necessarily in the same order. Question number 83. What is the code for have place book in the given code language? Take here have and here have first line, second line and fourth line. So first line, second line, fourth line. Common code check once. Here NA not there, RA not there, BI. Next here BI. Next here also we are having BI. So friends, what the code for have means? Answer is what? BI. Answer is BI. Next one. Place. One check here place is present in which lines? Here we are having place. Remaining lines place is not there. So only code, only information is place, then only code. Common code RA eliminate, NA eliminated. That means here UA. So place code is what? UA. Next book and next one is book. Here we are having book. Here also we are having book. Now in these two lines common code. So PA not there, J not there, IA not there. IA friends here we are having IA. Next here also we are having IA. That means one is what? Here IA. So what are the code for have place book means BI UA IA. BIUA. Answer is what? Option C. So question number 83, option C. Question number 84. In the given series of letters, how many D's are there? Friends, take care. DN. Take care. How many D's are there? Next, which do not have H preceding them and also do not have J following them. So friends, here for D before H no chance. For D after J also no chance. Now take care. DN. D before is what? J. D before H no chance. J is possibility. After is what? Here J no chance. Here H possibility. Yes, one pay. Next D before H. This one no chance. Next D after J no chance. D after J no chance. Then simple answer is what? Only one pair. D before not H. D before not H. After is not J. Yes, JDH. Spend JDH. Here D before not H. D after not J. So here we are having only one pair. So answer is what? Only one. Option A. Question number 85. In the word banking, If all the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order and then consonants are changed to previous, if it is a consonant means what? -1. And the vowels are changed to next. Vowel means what? Here, +1. As for the English alphabetical series, then how many letters do not repeat more than once? Do not repeat more than once only. That means no need to arrange alphabetical order. Friends, if they given alphabetical order for based upon alphabetical order, if they given question means it's required, but they are not asking about alphabetical order means don't convert, not required. Consonant means -1, vowel means +1. Now B consonant -1, that means here A, vowel +1. Next N consonant -1, M. K consonant -1, here J. I vowel +1, J. N consonant -1, M. G here consonant -1 is what? Here F. Then the given is what? How many letters are not repeated more than once? More than once. Here M is repeated. Next J also repeated. A is not repeated. B is not repeated. F also not repeated. That means total how many letters here were having? 3 letters. A, B, F. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 86. 4 of the following 5 letters clusters are like in a certain way and once is different. Pick the odd one. So out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now M, next one is what? N. Next O gap P. Next Q. Next one is what? R. Next one is S. So first letter, second letter, no gap. Second letter, third letter, 1 gap. Third letter, fourth letter, 2 gap. Next one B, C. Next D gap E. Next F, G gap H. Yes, same pattern. J, next one K. Next one L. But here there is no gap one. J, K, L. Without gap they given. This is the different one. No need to check remaining also. If you want check, check. S, T. Next U gap V. W, X. 2 gap Y. D, E. Next F gap G. H, I. Next J gap. So for first letter, second letter, no gap. Second letter, third letter, 1 gap. Third letter, fourth letter, 2 gap. So these 4 options are following same pattern. This one is not following. So this is the different one. Question number 87 to 90. Here the again question is from Silax. Friends, if it is a Silax, first read the information. Which of the following conclusions are logically follow? That means true conclusions. Now take your given statements. Only if you hut are but some part of hut is a, some part of hut is but. At the same time, some part of hut is here, not but. Next one, some but are cut, some part of but is cut. No but is a put, no but is a put. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some hut are not put, some hut are not put. We know no but is a put. No but is a put means in but hut is some part. Some hut is not put. So first one is correct. Second one, some cut are put, some cut are put. Friends, here we know no but is a put means in but cut is some part. We know some part of cut is not put, but some cut or put means this one is wrong. So answer is what? Only one follows. Option A. Next question number 88. Each plant is a grass. Each means what? All. All plant is a grass and plant. This all plant is a grass. Next, no green is a tree. Leave it. Every grass is a green. Every means what? All. All grass is a green. All grass is a green. Next, no green is a tree. Here green, here no green is a tree. So this is the given statements. Take first conclusion. No grass is a tree. No grass is a tree. Friends, here we know no green is a tree. No green is a tree means here grass and plant is inside. Then no grass is a tree. So first one is correct. No grass is a tree. Next one, some green are plant. Friends, in entire boundary of green, plant is some part. Some part of green is a plant. In entire boundary of green, plant is some part. Some part of green is plant. So second one also correct. Then answer is what? Both are correct. Both are correct means answer is option C. Question number 89. At least some tile are marble. Some tiles are marble. At least means some. Next one. Each sand is a paper. Each means all. All sand is a paper. Leave. Few marble. Few means what? Some. Some marble is a sand. Some part of marble is a sand. Next. Each sand is a paper. That means all sand is a paper and all sand is a paper. Now take first conclusion. Some paper are marble. Some paper are marble. Some part of paper is mixed with here marble. Then some paper are marble. First one is correct. Second one. Some tile being paper is a possibility. Tile and paperlessness is what? Can't say. Here they given possibility. If it is a can't say, assumption is correct. So answer is what? Both are correct. Answer is option C. Question number 90. All list are grid. Friends, take here. List. All list are grid. Next one. Some grid are matrix. Some part of grid is matrix. Next one. Only few glitch are grid. So some glitch is a grid. Some glitch is a grid. At the same time, some part of glitch is not grid. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Conclusion number one. Some list are matrix. List or matrix relation is can't say. Then first one is wrong. Some glitch are list. Some glitch is a list. Glitch and list relation is for can't say. So this one also wrong. So answer is for both are wrong. So both are wrong means answer is option E. Neither one, not two. Question number 91 to 95. 8% MNOPQ are S and T sit around a circular table such that some of them are facing inside and some of them are facing outside. Leave it. S does not face away from the center. That means here S is facing towards the center. M faces toward the center. Leave it. P sits immediate left of R and both face the same direction. P is immediate left of R. P and R both are facing same direction. Next. Q sits second left of N. Next, who sits immediate left of T? Q is second left of N. Who qualifies N? N is immediate left of T. Two persons sit between Q and S. T faces away from the center. Take this is the clue point. T is facing away from the center. Friends, total here we are having 8 members. Some of them is facing outside. Some of them is facing inside. Now, take here T. T is facing away from the center. So, if you know about T means Q sits second left of N. Who sits? That means N sits immediate left of T. T is facing outside. Now N is immediate left of T. If you know about N, Q is second left of N, but we don't know whether N is facing inside or outside. Take one possibility. N is inside. Next possibility. N is outside. N is outside. Take here one more possibility. Total here we are having 8 members. Some of them are inside. Some of them are facing outside. Now they given T is facing outside. N is immediate left of T. One possibility N is inside, other possibility N is outside. Now Q is second left of N. Q is second left of N. So N facing outside means first left, second left. This one is Q. N is facing inside means first left, second left. This one is for here Q. QV second left of N. Leave it. If you know about Q, next point is for two persons in between Q and S. Now Q1 to S chance, Q1 to S also chance. Here also Q1 to no chance. Yes, here. Now Q1 to this one is part yes. If you know about S means S does not face away from the center. That means here S is facing inside. So in this case for S there is chance to get two possibilities. Q1 to S, otherwise Q1 to this one. Yes, chance. Leave it. Next, go for next point. Two persons in between Q and S. Next, S and N are not adjacent to each other. Now Q1 to S, but S and N are not adjacent. Then S here no chance. Then Q1 to this one is here. Yes. S does not face away from the center. That means here S is facing towards the center. Leave it. Next point. P does not sit adjacent to Q. So P is not adjacent to Q1. P is not adjacent to Q. That means for P here no chance. P is not adjacent to Q means for P here no chance. For P here also no chance. Leave it. Go for next point. P does not adjacent to Q. Neither P nor R sits opposite to Q1. P and R are not opposite to Q1. For Q opposite this one. So for P and R here no chance. P and R are not opposite to Q. Now for Q opposite this one here. P and R here no chance. Opposite to Q, P and R no chance. Next one. M does not sit adjacent to S. M is not adjacent to S. Leave it. Next one. Immediate neighbors of S faces the same direction but opposite to that of S. Immediate neighbors of S are facing same direction but opposite to S. S is facing inside. Immediate neighbors of S are facing outside. Immediate neighbors of S are facing same direction but opposite to S. Here S is inside. Immediate neighbors of S are facing outside. Yes, leave it. Next one. Person sits to the opposite to O faces toward the center. Leave it. Friend, this is the given entire information. Now take here one more clue point. Friends, P sits immediate left of R and P is immediate left of R. Both are facing the same direction. So P is immediate left of R, but both are facing same direction. Both are facing same direction. If you take this possibility, P and R are immediates. Only possibility is for this one. So here P no chance. If I take this one is P, then this one is for here R. P is immediate left of R, then R is compulsory inside. But our requirement is for This one is inside, this one is outside. But our requirement is both P and R facing same direction. Then this possibility, no chance. Now P and R here, neighbors here, no chance. This is the only possibility to get P and R neighbors. But here P no chance, R no chance. That means this possibility is simply wrong. Now P and R are immediates and P and R are immediates. This is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Now P is not neighbor of Q. Take this one is part here P. Now this one is part here R. Now P is immediate left of R. P is immediate left of R. Both are facing the same direction. R outside, P also outside. Yes. Now this one is part Q. Next leave it. They give one more clue point is part M is not neighbor of M does not adjacent to yes. So M is not adjacent to S means M here no chance. Then this is the only possibility for M. This is the only possibility for M. We know M is facing towards center. They only given M faces towards the center. M is facing towards the center. Next point is what? Person opposed to O faces towards the center. Now remaining person is what? Now friends take here. Remaining person is what? Here O and remaining is what? O. This is the possibility for O. Remaining this is the only empty place. Now person opposed to O faces toward the center. Opposed to O is for Q. Q is facing towards center. So this is the arrangement. Now take the questions. 91. Who sits immediate left of? Yes. S is inside. Who is immediate left of S here? P. So answer is what? Option E. So question number 91. Option E. Question number 92. Who sits opposed to T? Opposed to T is what? R. So answer is option A. Question number 93. 4 of the following 5 are alike. That means out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? N facing outside. N is outside. Next one Q. Q facing inside. Q is inside. O outside. O is outside. T outside. P outside. Then simple answer is what? Q1. Answer is what? Q. Why means? Here N facing outside. O facing outside. O is outside. T also outside. T facing outside, P also outside, but here Q is facing inside. So these are all are facing outside, but Q is inside means this is the different one. So answer is option B. Question number 94. Who sits third right of Q? For Q third right, first right, second right, third right is what? Yes. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 95. Dash sits immediate right of T. T facing inside, immediate right of T. Sorry, T facing outside. Facing outside left hand and right hand. Who is immediate right of T here? O. Answer is option A. Question number 96 to 97. Here they again question is from the relations. Here into means father. Into means father. Minus means sister. Plus means mother. Percentage means brother. Leave it. Which of the following represents J is son of F? J is son of F. J is son of F means J is compulsory male. J is compulsory male. Now check first option. J percentage are. Percentage means what? Here brother. That means J is male. There is a chance. J plus. Plus means what? Here J is mother. That means here J is female. No chance. J percentage means what? Brother. There is a chance. J minus means what? Minus means sister. That means here J is female. No chance. Then answer is what? A, C. Otherwise none of these. Suppose check here first one. J percentage R means what? Here J is brother of R. R minus T means what? R is sister of T. T into F means what? T is father of F. In this case, how J is related to F here? How J is related to F here? Uncle. But our requirement is what? Son means no chance to take this one. Once if you are going to observe means A and C both are looking like same. J percentage M here R minus N here into F. That means both are same money. Check once if you want. J percentage M. J is brother of M. M minus N. Minus means what? Sister. M is sister of N. Next one is what? N into. Into means what? N is father of F. Then how J is related of here? Uncle. But our requirement is what? Son. This one also no chance. Then simple answer is what? None of these. Question number 97. In the expression B plus D into M percentage N, then how M is related to B? Take care. The given one is what? B plus D into M percentage N. B plus D. Plus means what? Here mother. B is mother of D. B is mother of D. D into M. Into means what? Father. Now D is father of M. D is father of M. M percentage. Then M is brother of N. Take your question is how M is related to B? How M is related to B here? Grandson. B son is D, D son is what? M. So son is what? Grandson. So answer is what? Grandson. And answer is what here? Grandson. Friends, question is what? How M is related to B and how M is related to B means answer is grandson. Don't take fourth option. Don't take fourth option here. Here also they given grandson. Here granddaughter they given, grandson also they given. No chance. Why means here we know the gender of M. M is a male. So how M is related to B? Answer is grandson. Option C. 98 to 99. Each of the 6 friends P, Q, R, S, T and U have a different weight. R is heavier than T but lighter than U. Total here we are having 6 friends. Take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. R is heavier than T. R is heavier than T but qualifies first person, but qualifies here R. R is lighter than U. That means here U is heavier than R. R is heavier than T but R is lighter than U means U is heavier than R. Leave it. Next one. Q is lighter than only P and Q is lighter than only P. Now, friends, Q is lighter than only P. Q is lighter than only P. That means here P is the heaviest. P is the heaviest. Next one. Q is the lighter than only P. Next one is what? T is not the lightest. That means here for T here lightest, no chance. Next, take this one. U greater than R greater than T. But here T no chance me. Now this one U R, this one is what? T. If I take here U means R T, no chance. Now remaining person is what? P Q R, remaining is what? Yes, and remaining is what? Yes, leave it. Now U weight is what? 50 kg. U is 50 kg. Next one. P weight is what? P is 60 kg. P is 60 kg. Yes, leave it. Now take question. Question number 98. Whose weight could possible by 40 kg? 40 kg whose weight and maybe R or maybe T or maybe S. Why means UV is 50 kg, R, T, S are lighter than U. That means these 3 possibilities are less than 50 kg. Check once on options. R is given or T is given or S is given. They given only R and they given only R. So R weight is what? There is chance to take 40. So answer is what? Option D. Here RTS there is chance to take less than 50 and but they given only one option is what? R they given. So option D. Question number 99. Which of the following weights correctly represent the possible weight of Q? Q weight is what? UV is 50 kg, P is 60 kg. QV is more than U, QV is less than P. That means Q weight is between 50 and 60. Between 50 and 60 they given option is what? 55. So answer is option C. Question number 100. Here the again question is what? If 2 is subtracted from each odd digit. If it is a odd digit, minus 2. Next 2 is added to the each even digit. If it is a even means what? Plus 2. Even means plus 2. Odd means minus 2. Even means plus 2. So here odd. First one is what? Odd. Odd means what? Minus 2. That means here 5. 5 odd minus 2 3. 6 even plus 2 8. 4 even plus 2 6. 3 odd minus 2 1. 2 even plus 2 then 4. Next question is what? Then which of the following digit is repeated in the final arrangement? Whether 5 is repeated? No. 3? No. 8? No digit is repeated. So answer is what? Simply none of these. Question number 100. Answer is what? Option E.